That's Rinki Singhal, and today we will learn how to use if formula with and with or. So, guys, on the screen there is a sales data, the salesman, department A, B, C, and the total sales. There is the commission with different condition. So, first of all, the first condition you will get commission if the total sale more than 1,20,000. So, how to calculate is equal sales more than 1,20,000, then you will get commission. How? Sales into 10%. Otherwise, you need improve. So inverted comma close, bracket close, then enter. So you need to drag in the whole sheet. It will work. So salesman B, H and L need to improve. There is no commission for that salesman. The next condition, sales more than or equal to 50,000 in any one department. So we have to use or formula. So any department. If or department 1 more than or equal to 50,000. So next, more than or equal to 50,000, more than or equal to 50,000. Then bracket close, comma start. If anyone more than 50,000 equal to, you will get commission how much? Into 10%. Otherwise, you need to improve. So bracket close, enter. So definitely you need to just drag in the whole sheet. You will get who will get commission, who will get improvement. So the third condition, in all department you are selling more than 50,000, then only then you will get commission. So you use and department 1 more than equal to 50,000, department B more than equal to 50,000, department C more than equal to 50,000, then bracket close, comma start, and you will get commission how? Sales into 10%. Otherwise, you need to improve. There is no commission for you if you are not completing the conditions. So just drag it. Definitely you will get the accurate data. Of course, there is only two salesmen who are selling in all department more than or equal to 50,000. So guys, it is good to all, or you need to some query, please discuss. Thank you so much, friends.